Hello friends, this is Amit Chatrat, business manager based out of Amritsar. Friends, today we are living in a world of Kaizen. You know what is Kaizen? Kaizen is a Japanese word which means continuous improvement with a lot of involvement. And this is one thing which is expected from all of us on our day-to-day life, day-to-day work. And this is possible only when we are having a lot of entrepreneurship within us. Because once we are having a feeling of entrepreneurship, what we do, I'm sure we are going to surprise ourselves with our results. And the second thing which is very important, which I believe sometimes we are missing is connect. Because as a sales oriented person, or since we are in sales, we are in a hurry to convey. And we are doing in the same way, we are conveying to our customer what the knowledge we are having. But the important thing sometimes we are missing is connect. So once we are able to connect properly with our customers, I'm sure the results that will be there that are amazing, that are really amazing. And the third thing what I want to discuss is regarding the mature brands. Because we have heard a lot of times during our cycle meetings, during our meetings or phone calls, or even our customers, doctors, retailers, and stockists also say that we are having the mature brands. We are having the mature brand, but what is the policy we are going to adopt with our customers? Because if we consider our brands are mature, these are mature, so we should do all the calls or every call in such a fashion that our brands are newly born, or these are the newborn brands from our organization. But yes, on the other side, these brands have become matured because at some times our colleagues have promoted the brand so well, so good in a good fashion, that these brands are able to sustain over 50, 60 years in the marketplace. That was possible only when our colleagues have a policy, or they must be having strategies to catch them whom young, our doctors. So let us have this policy to catch them young. We should catch the young doctors from medical colleges, and even the mature doctors which are there in our list. We should communicate the same thing to to them, that these are the textbooks brands which they have read at their college time. So the three things I would like to say: first is Kaizen, second is Connect, and the third very important thing that I'm going to catch the doctors young, catch them young. Thank you.